You bought the couch that looked solid in the showroom, and within a year the cushions sank and the frame started to creak. You paid for a name you trusted, and it still let you down. Meanwhile, your parents had a sofa that lasted 30 years. Here is the frustrating part. The brands actually worth your money are not the most expensive ones. They are the ones built to be repaired, not replaced. And one of them costs less than IKEA. Brand number 10, King Hickory. King Hickory has been building upholstered furniture in Hickory, North Carolina since 1958, and the reason its sofas outlast the cheap stuff is hidden under the fabric. Start with the frame. Kiln-dried hardwood solids, dried until almost all the moisture is pulled out, so the wood won't warp, crack, or let the joints work loose the way a green or particle board frame does. Then the seat. Way hand-tied springs, each coil knotted to its neighbors by hand in 8 directions. That's slow, expensive labor, and it's the difference between a seat that holds its shape for 20 years and one that sags by next winter. Here's the part that matters for your wallet. A frame and spring system like that can be reupholstered when the fabric finally wears out, instead of hauled to the curb. You're not buying a sofa. You're buying a frame you can redress 2 or 3 times. Spread the price over that long, and the cost per year drops below the bargain couch you'd replace every 3 years. That's what worth it actually means. But North Carolina isn't the only place still doing it the hard way. Brand number 9, Smith Brothers of Bern. This family company has been making furniture in Bern, Indiana since 1926. And more than 500 people still build every piece there today. Smith Brothers doesn't hide how its sofas are made, because the construction is the selling point. The seats use 8-way hand-tied springs, the same labor-intensive method, tied by hand rather than dropped in by machine. And here's a detail most brands won't put in writing. They back the frame and the spring system for as long as you own the sofa. Think about what a lifetime warranty actually tells you. A company only promises to fix something forever when it expects never to get the call. That warranty is a confident signal, the brand betting its own money that the frame won't fail. Cheap furniture comes with a 1-year warranty for the same reason. The maker knows what's coming. So when you're standing in a showroom, ask how long the frame is covered. That number is a shortcut straight to how the thing was built. The longer the coverage, the more the maker trusts the part you can't see. And because Smith Brothers builds custom, you pick the fabric from a huge upholstery selection rather than settling for whatever shipped to the warehouse. Now, springs and frames are the upholstery story. Solid wood furniture plays by a different rule book. Brand and number 8, Durham Furniture. For bedroom and dining pieces, dressers, nightstands, tables, the rules change, and Durham is a clean example of doing it right. Everything they build is solid North American hardwood, maple, cherry, or ash. No veneers glued over particle board, no fiberboard pretending to be wood. That matters more than it sounds. The fastest way furniture dies is a particle board panel that swells the first time it meets humidity, or a drawer box that's just stapled at the corners and works itself loose. Durham uses dovetail joinery on its drawers, those interlocking tooth-shaped joints that grip tighter the more you pull the drawer open. Pair that with soft close hardware, and you've got a dresser your grandchildren could be using. So here's your test in any store. Pull the drawer all the way out and look at the back corner. Interlocking dovetails mean the maker built it to last. A few staples through a flat joint mean they built it to a price. You don't need to know wood species to read that joint. It tells you everything about what happens in year 10. Back to seating, where one brand built its whole reputation on a single hidden part. Brand number 7, Flexsteel. The name is literally a description of the engineering. For roughly a century, Flexsteel has built its sofas and recliners around a blue steel spring, a single ribbon of high-carbon steel that runs the length of the seat instead of the sagging webbing or thin wire you find in budget couches. That spring is the part that decides whether a seat still supports you in a decade or folds you toward the floor. Flexsteel pairs it with solid, hardwood frames and backs, both the frame and that spring unit for the life of the product. So the two things most likely to fail on a cheap sofa, the frame and the suspension, are exactly the two things Flexsteel guarantees won't. This is the cost per year math again. A sofa that needs replacing every 4 years isn't cheaper than one that lasts 20. It's far more expensive. You just pay it in installments at the furniture store. Flexsteel sells you the back half of that equation. You pay more once, then you stop paying. And if you want that same buy-it-once logic in a recliner, one brand wrote the book. Brand number 6, Stressless, made by the Norwegian company Hickory. Remember those buyers whose name brand recliners broke a spring after a few years? This is the answer to that. Stressless guarantees the internal mechanism and the steel and wood framework of its recliners, the springs and the gliding system included, for 10 full years. Not the fabric, not the wood trim, the parts that actually do the work, the moving guts that fail first in a lesser chair. The base, the foam, and the power motors carry their own 5-year coverage on top of that. A recliner is the hardest working seat in your house. It's a machine you sit in with hinges, springs, and a reclining mechanism cycling thousands of times. Most chairs treat that mechanism as an afterthought stapled to a frame. Stressless treats it as the product. That's why the same chair can be reupholstered and repadded years later and keep going, instead of getting tossed the first time the recline gives out. Yes, the sticker is high, but spread a 10-year guaranteed mechanism over 10 years of daily use, and it quietly beats the $400 recliner you'd replace twice in the same span. So far, these are legacy names. The next few prove the new online brands can play exactly the same game. Brand number 5, Article. This is the one that surprises people, because Article sells online at prices that look almost too reasonable, most sofas landing between $800 and $2,500. The instinct is to assume online and affordable means corners cut. Open one up, and the story flips. Article builds on kiln-dried hardwood frames, the same moisture-stabilized solid wood the heritage brands use, not the particle board or green softwood you would expect at the price. They can hit that number because they skipped the showroom, the salesperson, and the traditional retail markup and sell straight to you. You are paying for the frame instead of the floor space. Here is how you check any online brand before you trust it. Find where they list the frame material. If the page proudly says kiln-dried hardwood, that is a brand inviting scrutiny. If the frame material is buried or missing entirely, that silence is your answer, because nobody hides good construction. Article tells you, in writing, exactly what is under the cushions. That transparency is most of why it earns a spot here. Another online brand takes that same idea even further into furniture you customize and keep. Brand number 4, Maiden Home. Maiden Home builds made-to-order upholstery in North Carolina, the same furniture region King Hickory comes from, and ships it direct, skipping the markup. Every piece starts with a kiln-dried hardwood frame and 8-way hand-tied springs. The construction you normally only hear about on furniture costing 2 or 3 times as much. Because each sofa is built when you order it, you choose the fabric, and nothing sits in a warehouse absorbing the cost of being inventory. But the reason it belongs on a worth every penny list is repairability. A kiln-dried frame and hand-tied springs are exactly the bones that survive a reupholstery. when the fabric eventually wears, and on any sofa the fabric is what wears first, you recover the frame instead of replacing the whole thing. The cheap couch can't be saved that way. Its frame is stapled particle board that won't survive being taken apart. So the real divide was never expensive versus cheap. It's furniture engineered to be fixed versus furniture engineered to be thrown away. Maiden Home is firmly in the first camp. The top three are the brands people actually hand down to their kids. Brand number 3, Room and Board. If you ask furniture people which American maker to trust, this name comes up again and again, and it's earned. Room and Board builds with solid hardwood and genuinely durable materials, most of it made in the United States by long-standing American workshops. What sets it apart isn't just the construction, it's the refusal to chase trends. The designs are clean and quiet, the kind of pieces that look right in your living room for 20 years instead of looking dated in 3. That's an underrated part of worth. A sofa that falls apart is one way to waste money. A sofa you're sick of looking at by year 4 is another. Room and Board solves both. The build survives the decades, and the design earns its place for just as long, which means you never pay the hidden tax of replacing something simply because it went out of style. And you can prove the build yourself. Knock on the frame rail under the cushion. You'll hear a dense, solid thud, the sound of kiln-dried hardwood, not the hollow knock of a filler frame. That single test on any sofa anywhere tells you more than the entire sales tag. Room and Board passes it every time. But if your goal is to buy furniture once and never again, there's a name above all of these. Brand number 2, Stickley. This is the heirloom standard. Stickley has been family run for around 125 years, building solid wood furniture in Manlius, New York, and in North Carolina out of honest hardwoods like quarter sawn oak. These are not pieces you replace, they're pieces that outlive you. The joinery is the reason. Stickley uses real mortise and tenon joints, a tongue of wood fitted into a matching socket and locked in place the way furniture was built before staples and glue guns existed. A joint like that doesn't loosen when you move it. It's mechanically interlocked, not just fastened. That's why Stickley pieces routinely get passed from grandparent to grandchild and still don't wobble. On a cost per year basis, an heirloom is almost unbeatable. Divide the price across 3 generations of use, and the yearly cost rounds down toward nothing. The catch is the upfront number, which is real. But understand what you're buying. Not a sofa or a table, but the last one you'll ever buy in that category. That is the purest form of worth, every penny there is. Which brings us to number 1, and it breaks every rule you'd expect from this list. Brand number 1, Plank and Beam. After 2 heirloom names, you'd expect the top spot to cost the most. It costs the least, and that's exactly why it wins. Plank and Beam sells solid pine furniture direct to you, and the prices stop you cold. A solid wood platform bed frame starts around $200, 3-drawer dressers come in under $300, and a queen bed with a headboard runs around $600. That is less than IKEA charges for comparable pieces, except IKEA's are built from particle board and veneer, and Plank and Beams are solid wood with dovetailed drawers. Read that again. You can buy real, solid wood, dovetail jointed furniture for less than the laminated chipboard version. The catch, and it's a small one, is that it ships flat and you assemble it yourself, which is exactly how they cut the cost without cutting the wood. Now bring back the math that runs through this whole list. Worth every penny was never about spending the most. It's about cost per year and whether a piece can be repaired instead of replaced. A solid pine bed that lasts 15 years for $200 has a cost per year almost nothing can touch. Plank and Beam isn't the cheap option sneaking onto a quality list. It's proof that the whole price equals quality assumption was wrong from the start. One last test before you buy anything. Knock the frame. Solid means decades. Subscribe. Your wallet will thank you.